Hey guys, welcome to another Stretching Home from Home, Working from Home stretch series. Today we're going to be stretching our lower backs out because I know a lot of you guys are working behind desks, behind a computer, and sitting all day, and your backs tend to get tight because of that. So what we're hoping to do by the end of this 5-minute video is help you guide you along with a stretching routine where you can open up your lower back, and by the time you're finished, you should feel nice and limber and be able to get on with the rest of your day. So let's get stretching, guys.
Alright, so the first stretch we're going to be doing here is just for our lower back erector spinae muscles. So let's hold this one here for 30 seconds, guys. Remember to breathe nice and deep, in and out. Try to go down a little bit deeper each time you take a deep breath out. Three seconds, 2, 1. Now we're just going to rotate over to our left, and it says Quadratus lumborum, but you get a little bit of erector spinae and a few other muscles as well. But for this one here, leaning over towards our left, we should feel it in our right lower back. And again, deep breaths in, deep breaths out. Try to sink down a little bit deeper each time you breathe out. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, and we're just going to be doing the same thing on the right side now. So bending towards our right, you should feel it in the left lower back. Good. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Sink down a little bit lower with each breath out. 3, 2, 1. The next exercise we're doing here is to target our lumbar spine. This is a cat-cow exercise for those who are familiar with the yoga poses. This one is less of a stretch, more of a lower back mobilization. So we're trying to move each segment of our lower back here nice and slowly up and down. Three seconds, 2, 1. The next one here, we have our glute stretch. So bring it straight up towards our shoulders, as close as you can. Hug towards your knees towards your shoulders. Feel a stretch through the glutes. And if you pull your right leg, in this case, towards your left side, left shoulder, you should feel it a bit more into the glute med, glute min regions. And 3, 2, 1. And let's do the same thing with the left. So bring it nice and close up to the chest. Hug it nice and close to your chest. And again, if you bring it over towards your right side, your left knee towards your right shoulder, you should feel a little bit of a deeper stretch into the outer portion of your hip. So again, we're targeting your glute med, glute min. So into adduction, and these muscles for abduction. So we're stretching out these abductor muscles. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to drop our foot on top of our left knee. You're going to reach between your thighs, between the gap, and you're going to bring your legs up again towards your chest. You should be feeling this stretch in your right hip. So again, targeting piriformis, but you're likely getting other muscles as well, but this is a piriformis stretch. So this is a really good stretch for those who are dealing with piriformis syndrome. 3, 2, 1, and switching over. If you want a deeper stretch, instead of reaching underneath your legs, you can reach over top and grab your right knee and hug it closer towards the chest. So with my left leg crossed over my right knee, I should be feeling it in your left hip right now. Good, deep breath in, deep breath out. bring the stretch up a little more each time. 3, 2, 1. Alright, here's a bonus one that most people don't know. It's a good stretch for the lower back. We're going to be going to a lunge position, and we're going to be stretching our hip flexors. In this case here, our left hip flexor, with our right knee up and our left knee down on the ground, keeping our back in neutral and lunging forward. You should feel this in the front of your left hip. Now if you reach your arms overhead, you can get a bit more of a stretch. 2, 1, and we'll switch sides. So left knee up, right knee down, keeping our back in neutral, lunging forward. Feel a stretch in your right hip now, front of your right hip. So you can see in the picture here that the hip flexor is actually attached to your lumbar spine or your lower back, and so when they tighten up, they can affect your lower back as well. 3, 2, 1, and there you have it. Good work, guys.
Alright, well hopefully you feel nice and loose now. Your lower back should be nice and open, following along that 5-minute stretch routine. Again, you guys can do these as much as you want throughout the day. It doesn't have to be just once in a day. The more you do, obviously, the better it's going to feel through your lower back. Anyways, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave me a comment in terms of what you want to see for a future stretch video. If you're also interested, hit that button up there and check out some of our other videos and see what physio can help you with. Alright? Well, we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.